and welcome to the Forgot Manual. Today we're going to do, it's so quick, so easy, but the question comes up of how do I change ownership of a dashboard? And there's kind of two parts on this. On the first part there is, if it happens to be a shared dashboard, you cannot actually change the ownership on it. And the easy way to check that is you select it, you click here, and then you click your change ownership option. You're gonna find, hey, you're not allowed to manage shared dashboards. But you might be saying, yeah, but I want that shared dashboard. I wanna be able to change things on it. So the workaround you have in that scenario is you go blah, 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 you go click a little clone, kick off that clone, we're like, this is my clone. You kick off your brand new clone, after which point you now have the ability to go and do things to it. So right now, I can actually change ownership of this because it's no longer a shared dashboard. That's that first part. So I can go in here, I'm gonna change ownership. I'm gonna give this to Brock Peterson, for example. Save changes. Now this becomes Brock's dashboard. And that's awesome. Now it's living off in the land of Brock. And how do I usually do this? I'll sort by owner, blah, blah, blah. Actually, I don't even see it anymore. The point is, that's how you can go and do it. So the easy way of if you need to change ownership of something and you just don't have those administrative rights or otherwise, clone that dashboard. This is clone 2. Let's try that. Clone that dashboard. It then becomes a extra dashboard out there. After which point you can go and make special changes to that, right? You can go and, I'd like to edit this. I'd like to make this thing be available to be shared or otherwise, right? You have those options to that particular dashboard at that point, right? Here's my clone. It's only viewable by me, but I say, you know what? I want this to be viewable by everyone. And everybody can edit it. And I'm gonna hit that and boom, suddenly, did that actually work? I think, I'm not sure if it did. We're gonna try that again. We're gonna say, yeah, we're gonna make it available to everyone. Everybody can edit it. And then we're gonna, there we go. I have to actually click the word include, that's fine. And then suddenly now this becomes a dashboard shared by user groups. But regardless, those are the different ways you can do that. And this is inside the cloud instance. If I happen to be doing this on-prem, same kind of thing. I won't have the ability to change ownership on a shared dashboard. You know, the easy test on that is I go click that. I don't get the option here, but I do get it if I click it up at the top, right? And that's why I say change ownership. You can't do it on a shared dashboard. You're saying, hey, but I really need to do the thing. That's when you say, all right, let's clone this dashboard, clone for now. And then I'll be able to go and manipulate the stuff within the clone. So if I truly had someone leave the organization, but I wanted to leverage and use that dashboard, I can absolutely take advantage of that. Even to the point of if it happened to be created someone else. So hey, Alonzo has this dashboard out here. Great, I want to go and change ownership of it. I can easily just go and do that. Same kind of approach we just took a second ago. You know, you have that flexibility, those options. And one of my favorite ways to find a dashboard after you do something to it is sort by last modified, because it makes it real easy to go and find the things, right? This dashboard right now, only viewable by me, and I'll be like, hey, I want to go and I want to go make sure that everybody can go do that. So I'll go click those things and say everybody can do it. Click include, boom, 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 and suddenly now it becomes exposed, you know, just like these things, like all these other dashboards out there. So hopefully this was helpful for you who was always wondering how can I manipulate dashboards, or if I have someone leave the company, how can I go and continue to use that dashboard and move it over to a different user. Either you're gonna clone it, or you can just straight up change that ownership depending upon what the shared state of that dashboard is. Hopefully that was helpful. We'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.